So in this video I'm going to try to set up a data table, and I'm going to use an add-on that's available in Google Sheets. So I'm just going to paste here for a second the mortgage estimation, and we seem to be getting the same result as before, and it seems to be live. Now what if I wanted to do that but for a number of variables with different let's say time periods, and just examine the effects? Then what I would look for is this add-on, what if analysis. Okay, so if I go back into the add-ons, get add-ons, and look for what if analysis. Okay, and we'll take that one. In fact, I seem to have it. So we can go to what if analysis and we can do a data table. Okay, so what I plan to do is set out like a data table. We set our result here for the mortgage estimation of $644.19, and we make equal here in this cell, and then we can set out different rates of interest, 0.01, 0.02, and then we just drag that down. And then to re-estimate the mortgage repayment for different interest rates. So we've highlighted both columns here, and then we go into our add-ons, what if analysis, create data table, and then in this column here, which relates to the interest rate, the APR, we can specify the 5%. So the C5 relates to the interest rate. We put in C5, and then we hit OK. And as we wait, we can see the value of the mortgage repayment appearing for different rates of interest. Okay, so if we come down here and highlight this column and we convert to the dollar sign, it's fairly clear the 5% here corresponds with a mortgage monthly repayment of $644.19, which is the same as which we've obtained here. So that's a nice way of mapping out the impact of changing interest rates on your mortgage repayment using a data table, keeping in mind that the what if analysis can be obtained from getting the add-on using what if analysis. So if this find the what if analysis, and adding that on then allows us to apply the data tables.